Welcome back. How's it going? So, up until now, we have successfully hooked up React router to allow us to go to the slash about and slash products page. But the problem is we only do that directly through the URL. We obviously don't want the user to be doing that to navigate between pages. So what we need to do is to have some links, let's say from the main page, that will link to the about page and to the products page. Now to do that, you could of course create a link that points to the pound slash about and pound slash products using the anchor tag, but React Router provides its own link component that we can make use of. So let's get started. So let's go to the app component and create some sort of menu that has a link to the about page and a link to the products page. So let's go to app.js. Now in the return value here for the render function, what we want to do is before the text, this is the main page, we're gonna add the links. So to use a link from React Router, this is called the link component. You do it like this. You say the link and then you give to. This to here is a location object, but you can also use a string with the path. For example, if we want to make a link to the about page, we can say slash about. Okay, and then let's give it some content for the link like this. So link to slash about. Now, since we're using link here, we have to import it, and we do so import, don't forget the braces, link from React Router as so. So this way you are navigating to the about page when you click link. So let's go and test it out. From the, you see about there, click the about, you can see it goes back. It goes to the about page, okay? If you go back here and click there, you can see in the bottom the link to about. So this is the link component from React Router. Now I want to see you add another link to the products page using the same manner, same fashion. Let's see it. So how did it go? So let's add a separator here. For the link, I just add a pipe there so we can separate the links. We're gonna say link, use the component link to slash product. You're gonna say products slash link. Let's maybe add a div so they both stay in the same place, and then there's a line break before it gets to the this is the main page. Let's save it. There you go, about and then products. There's no space for that pipe. I can add a space here actually if I do it like this. There you go. So actually this should be in a nav. It's more appropriate to use a nav since it's a menu for navigation. So we have about and products, and I added here this, actually it's just a space followed by a pipe followed by space. Before this there was no space. There's no way you can add a space there because it's going to collapse into a single thing. So I had to do this kind of trick to actually force it to use a space before and after. Okay. There you go. You have about, you have products. Let's check it out. Click products. Everything working. Very good. Go back. Check about. Everything working. So that's great. Now we can navigate between pages using the link component. Alright, so let's review what we did in this lecture. We learned how to use the link component from React Router. It's very simple. All you have to say is you pass this prop called to, and in this case the easiest value you can pass to is a string with the path to the route. Okay, in this case to about, and the other case to products. And that's it. That's how you navigate to different pages using link from React Router. Until the next lecture then, bye!